Today, we are going to be making a Christmas ornament DIY, a cupcake fake bake. Alright, for this project, we need little mini cupcake holders, we need foam balls, we got sprinkles, we got 2 different size hooks, we got whipped clay, this type of air modeling compound, and we have our beads again. Alright, let's get started. Alrighty, step 1. Take your little holder and you put some hot glue on the bottom. I have it on a low heat. Just seems to do better with styrofoam so it doesn't accidentally melt it. And I want to put maybe a penny size or like a dime size blob in the bottom to give it a little extra weight. Okay, then you go ahead and push your foam ball down to the bottom. The next step is I'm going to go ahead and take this and fill in along the edges. It's going to make it more solid and stick to the side. Be careful not to burn yourself, of course. Alright, so just along the edge. And then I'm going to carefully just hold it closed until it dries, just like this, just so the edges press. And then just to give it a little bit more substance, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the top as well. The top will become solid with the glue. Gives it a nice foundation. Okay, the next thing is we're going to let that dry before our next step. Alright, we get a bead that looks kind of like a cherry, right? And we take a small hook and a large hook. Okay, so we'll need to make it into an ornament. So you can either have a decorative cupcake, which I've done that before. It's really cute. I love to use those for decorations. Or you could have an ornament. So you just unbend this one. The small one, right? You put your bead on there and then you turn it in. I put a little bit of hot glue. Because I want this to stay in. If we're using an ornament, I want to be able to support its own weight, right? Okay, don't burn yourself. It is no fun. And then you just push it into the top. You just leave the tiniest little bit of space. Let that dry for a moment. Okay, and now we're going to take some of our air dry modeling compound. And it actually molds nicely around this. Pretty easy. Alright. Alright, so we get the whipped clay going here. Here we go. It's easier to hold on to the bead on top when you go around. I'm going to take the bigger hook and I'm going to straighten out one of the edges just a little. Push it through the hole of the bead. Gently, carefully. Okay. And okay. So now I can actually hold it. Alright, time for the sprinkles. You could either sprinkle it and hope for the best, or you could decide to place them where you want, right? You could start placing different ones on there like so that they spread out nice. It's up to you. You could do it more random, you can do it more on purpose, whatever you like, whatever's looks good, whatever's fun for you. Have fun. Decorate. Okay. Alright, now here's the point where I'm going to use the little toothpick and press all these down. Alright. Last thing you'll want to do is either hang it somewhere to dry so that the hook doesn't press into the frosting, or sometimes the way the hook's bent, it doesn't actually rest on itself, which is nice. This one seems to be that way, so I don't have to hang it up. But some of the ones I've done, I've had to actually hang up. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side. Here's our cupcake ornament DIY. Welcome to The Life Authentic. If you like this video, click subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell to get notifications.